Welcome to my channel. My name is Mona. In today's video, we're going to be making a creamy garlic butter chicken pasta. So if you're here in search of a good dinner idea, this is a really good one. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to get started by prepping my chicken. This recipe calls for 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, so I'm going to go ahead and get those sliced and cubed. And I also wanted to note that boneless, skinless chicken thighs will also work for this recipe. Once the chicken has been prepped, I'm going to get started on the seasoning. I'm using paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, as well as some salt and pepper. I did end up running out of onion powder, so I just used minced onion instead. I'm giving the chicken a good toss, making sure that all of it is fully coated in seasoning. And I'm going to take a moment to get my pasta started before moving on to the next step. And I decided to use fettuccine pasta today. It is one of my favorites. I'm placing some butter and olive oil into a pan over medium-high heat, and I'm going to let that melt. Then I'm going to drop in the chicken, making sure to separate all of the pieces that are stuck together. And I'm just cooking the chicken, as you can see here, until it's golden brown on all sides. And I'm just taking a moment to quickly chop up some fresh garlic before moving on to the next step. I'll be creating a butter garlic glaze for the chicken simply by adding butter and garlic to the pan and tossing the chicken around until the butter is melted and the chicken is fully glazed. I removed the chicken from the pan, and I'm going to go in without cleaning it and get started on my sauce. I'm adding some butter and garlic, and I'm going to saute until it's fragrant. I'm also going to add some heavy whipping cream as well as some Parmesan cheese. And I'm just going to stir until everything is well blended and the cheese has fully melted. And then I'm going to allow it to simmer for a few minutes. And finally, I'm going to add the pasta and make sure that it's mixed well with the sauce. And that's all there is to it. You can add the pasta to a plate and add the chicken on top, or you can mix the chicken right into the pan if you like. But if you made it this far in the video, make sure you drop a spoon emoji in the comments. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy cooking.